So thanks so much for visiting my YouTube channel. I created this because I wanted to share my experience over the last 20 years of bathroom remodeling. Just to give a little bit of background to myself, I started my own business when I was 21 years old. I created my company, SRW Contracting. I started out doing general renovations. I got into house flipping back in the 2000s, 2005, 6, when the market was really hot, which actually really kind of reminds me of today right now. But I did a lot of house flipping. I learned a lot from a lot of professionals on how to remodel houses. And I fell in love with actually doing bathroom remodeling. I found it the most fulfilling. It gave an artistic outlet for me. And it's just, there's so much to learn. So what I want to do with this channel is just pass this information on to you. I put my 10,000 hours in on learning how to do all of this stuff. I am a certified towel installer. I believe my number is 1449 or something. Took that a few years ago. But if you're a tradesman, I do recommend you getting a certification as far as a towel installer. You'll learn a lot from that. But I'm also up to date on all of the industry standards. I work with Schluter. I talk to these reps. I make sure that I'm installing these things correctly. So my objective to this channel is just to give you information that is easy for you to understand and do things correctly and make you a better installer. So I hope you stick around, keep watching my videos, please subscribe. Yeah, I look forward to helping you out and conversing and helping you become a better bathroom remodeler. Thanks.